G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A showery week ahead for most of Queensland with 2 rainfall peaks, one tomorrow and then another on Friday, each of them very untypical for the middle of dry season. Today's temperatures all had one thing in common. Overnight minimums were collectively much higher than average, mainly because of the heat trapping effect of moisture and cloud. Now on the satellite loop we have a lot of complicated stuff going on, so let me try to summarise briefly. Firstly, the main cloud band has moved through Western Queensland. That's carrying the upper level trough where most of the meat of the rain is. On the coast we've had a lot of drizzle ahead of that main trough, and of course in the North Tropical Coast, because of more maritime influences, we've just come out of a period of heavy showers, still ongoing but not as heavy as they were. For today's chart, you can see the trough system in the west. It's much more complex than it looks there. There's a cold front attached to it, a low further south and an upper level system on top, and out of it we're getting moister northerly winds every day. On tomorrow's chart, that trough system moves into eastern Queensland, making for some reasonable rain around the south, but a few patches in the north as well. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, southeasterly winds reaching up to 25 knots again tomorrow, so not ideal, but then settling down a touch for Wednesday, Thursday, southeast 15 to 20. First quarter moon's coming up pretty soon, so tides are on their way down again, though still substantial. Tomorrow's high tides due late morning to lunchtime. Central Coast and Whitsunday is a 40% chance of showers tomorrow, a bit of cloud around. Mackay 15 to 24 degrees, Bowen 26, Proserpine 25. And for the Central Highlands and coalfields, it'll be cloudy all day with showers, and there could even be storms in the southwest. Emerald 15 up to 21 degrees, Claremont 22, Moranbah 25. Looking ahead for Mackay, the second wave of rain on Friday, Saturday won't hit us anywhere near as hard as our southern neighbours. It'll come through merely as a pulse of heavier cloud with a few squirts. What is a cold front? A front is a sharp boundary between two different types of air that don't mix together. The best known is the cold front, which forms a boundary between cold winds from the south and warm winds from the north, causing sudden weather changes that make Melbourne famous. Now, cold fronts are most commonly found in the southern states when heavy Antarctic air marches across the country like a battlefront, forcing the lighter tropical air to slide up over it. This generates the explosive lifting force needed to make severe thunderstorms. Have a nice evening, folks. I'll catch you soon. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, folks. We'll catch you tomorrow night. Anything you missed, you can find it on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Take care. Good night.